Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Hit the bell icon. Every time I put a new video up, you guys know how it goes. You will get a notification. I've been trying to put videos up as we go, but you know, in between work and miscellaneous this and that in life and all that good stuff, yeah, we're working on it. So, in that matter, I am up here in Harbor Beach, Michigan, at a hospital here. I take my wife up here for a bit. So we're a little ways from home, about an hour and a half ride, roughly. So I figure while I'm sitting in the car waiting for her to get out, might as well give you a little update on the model room project. So I have pretty much most of the room done other than the ceiling. Man, the weather's just been so just nasty. It's cold, man. It's cold. It's like 4, 7. I mean, during the day when the sun's out, it's 12, and I'm trying to paint. It's not happening. I'm not happy with it. I mean, I'm okay with my painting part of it, but trying to get the room done, it's like, my gosh, man, it's just nothing dries. It takes days and days and days and days to dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna do is get the ceiling put up, and I'll show you some of the details, what we got going on, and a little bit of bench work. We should be ready for building some models. Let's take a look what we got. Okay, we are all primered up, ready for some color on it. Looking pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, we'll take a few minutes and see what she looks like with a coat of white. And after the white dries, probably leave it sit overnight. I'm gonna mask off and I'm gonna do a second color. Okay guys, the white paint is finished. Looks pretty good. I got a few imperfections, but thankfully white covers it up pretty good. So, don't look bad. I mean, oh, you got a notice from Facebook. So anyways, like I say, the white covers it up pretty good. I mean, there's just a few little boo-boos, I guess you want to call it, but it don't look too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. So it's a little strong in here because there's really not a lot of ventilation here. Got my little heater running, and so I'm gonna flip this around and show you what we got. Like I say, this is 2 coats in the color. Let me see, where's the can? All right, let's see. We are using diamond, yeah. So this is basically just pure white. It's a semi-gloss. Yeah, we emptied that baby right out. So it's good times. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. That is 2 coats. Everybody's good. We're good, we're good. Corner's all done. Let's take it up with that last outlet in. So we're gonna do the second color down here. So I'm gonna do a nice mask line and get that finished up. Okay, we did another color, painted a secondary border color, half, whatever, on the bottom, just to break it up, and I went with red. So we are red and white. I think it looks awesome. I gotta put some plug covers in it yet, and I'm gonna put a piece of trim in between the 2 colors just to kind of break it up a little bit. The masking line come out pretty good, but I still want to do the trim board on it just to give that clean look. I will turn this around and we'll show you what we got. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's okay. There's a little bit of bleed through. I mean, I've already given it like almost 3 coats, but and I know you're supposed to use like a special primer underneath it, like a red color primer. It probably would have helped out a lot, but I didn't get there. So lessons learned. So let's take a look. Yeah, baby. Ooh, ah, bright red. So I went with this because I think it gives you that, you know, you got that moment where you're standing there, or you're sitting there, or whatever, and you're like, how should I do this? You know, red sometimes gives you that little bit of inspiration, that pick me up color, you know what I mean? It's bright, it's vibrant. I think it looks cool. So I'm going to do a trim board around the edge, or I'm sorry, between the two colors. And that board is going to be a grayish black wash, so to speak. And I do have one boo-boo here. Oopsie, I overstepped the line a little bit. Like I say, there's a little bit of bleed through, but man, I tell you what, I put the paint on pretty heavy. I got a couple spots in here that just does not want to, I don't know, because it's winter time. I just think just the way the temperature is, and just, that's how it is. So that's where we're at. Okay, I will quit here, and I guess we'll start the floor next and get going on that. I have a surprise for the ceiling. You're gonna be like, that is cool. I'm hoping that's what you say, but that's what we're going for. Okay, I have things coming from Amazon for it, and I just bought some other pieces today. I will let you know what we're doing as we go. I'm not going to show you or give you any more hints than that, because I think you'll be like, that is sweet, cool idea. Okay, that's it for now. We are back on the floor project. So I'm going to show you what we're using to get this done with. This is pretty simple stuff. I found this at Home Depot, the big orange box, and we are using Traffic Master. This is the grip strip flooring. It was my first time using this, and looks like it's pretty basic and easy. So I got 7 boxes of it, should be good to go. And this is basically the tools you're gonna need to do the job. Just these items alone. No saw, no punches, chisels, hammers, screwdrivers, jackhammers, anything like that. So I'll get a box open and I'll show you how this stuff goes down. Please hold. Okay, this is each piece has its own protecting cover. So how the stuff works, it's just adhesive, and it's really not sticky. And then you got the back side. So these are 2 different types of adhesive. So once black touches gray, you have about 10 seconds of work time to move it around. After that, pretty much rips itself off. So come on over here, I'll show you how we do this. I already got some of the floor started. It goes down super, super easy. So you just start on a 45-degree angle, get your corner locked in tight, hold it in place, give it a little push. Just like that. Like I say, this stuff goes down so quick and easy. Unbelievable. This is a floor pretty much anybody can do with very little tools and time, because this stuff's actually really quick to go down. So they recommend once you're done with it, you take a 50 to 100 pound roller and go over the floor, and that kind of seats it in. So, okay, so we're at our end piece here, which we're obviously gonna have to cut. So I'll show you how simple and easy this is. Take Mr. Tape Measure. You want to keep it about a 1/4 inch off the wall, so we're roughly 15 inches. We come over our new piece. Nice and handy, they give you all this extra paper to play with. This way it keeps down so it doesn't scratch it up. Now take a piece and lay it the way I'm laying the floor. So the floor is going to continue to go like this, just keeps it easier. And measure out 15 inches. So take my tape measure here. Put a nice and broken square in here. If your square is not broken, that's okay. Mark it under 15, and all you gotta do is just score the line. took a couple scores, not even have to be that thick. Just give it a fold, it breaks right off. So this will be our new starter piece, which is going to come down here. I'd say she sticks good. In place, just lay her down. And this piece here will be our new piece for the end. Just like that. So I'm telling you guys, if you guys never put floor down, this is the easiest stuff there is. I put all kinds of laminate, Pergo, whatever brand, I've done them all, and this by far, hands down, is the easiest stuff. So highly recommend it. Okay, we'll get this finished and we'll take a look at it from there. All right, the floor is done. Turned out pretty good. Like I said before, guys, that lock tab or glue strip tab, whatever they call it, from Traffic Master, that stuff is, it's worth it. I mean, it went down very, very easy. I probably got maybe 3 hours in this room, and that's prepping the floor and everything. So not too bad. I had to cut this corner off and then the following corner to match, and obviously just trimmed this whole side over here. We were good to go. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. I like it. I like it way much. Cool. All right. Get some trim in here. Still got to put a socket in there, and I have to power up these plugs yet. I don't have the breaker in outside. Get some trim around the door, shave some foam yet, and we should be good. Gonna build a bench across here, and it's gonna go all the way across, and it's gonna be about 30 inches, about the height of a table. It's actually low, yes, but if you're sitting in a chair, that's perfect height to be like just sitting at the kitchen table. Then this corner over here, it's going to be a little higher, probably about height of a cabinet, countertop, something like that. And that's where the airbrush is going to go. Paint booth, stuff like that. So you can stand at it, because obviously that's something you don't want to sit at. Cool deal. So there we go. Okay, till next time.